Hey everyone, this is Tim from Unused Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to free some space up on your Xbox One hard drive. So if we just go to My Games and Apps right here on the home screen, it'll open up this page. We can go on down to Manage, and there's an option under here just for free up some space. Just select this, and then we can choose the games we want to delete. So I got like this Insane Robots game. I'm not sure what that is. Well, we can just check mark these different applications or games, and then we can just go over to delete. So Trackmania, I got a bunch of little games on here that are actually pretty cool. And then I can go over to remove selected, and it'll delete it. And you can see your hard drive in the bottom right, how much data you have on there for free space. And I actually have quite a bit of games on here. The Xbox One is still quite useful in 2026 almost. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Unused Studios.